Hello everyone, it's the Epic Gamer here. Today we are going to talk about, yes, the fidget spinner. Yes, most forgotten toy in history, guys. Many people in like 2017 and 2018 used to remember this toy, man. It used to be an awesome toy, man. For real. But then, year after year after 2017, it just got less popular. I mean, it's because it got banned in schools. I mean, I took this to school one time and then barely no one cared about it, man. For real. That's for real. I, I wish they can bring these toys back to the stores. I would actually buy them. And I wish I can record with my left hand. Because I'm not good with this. Alright. Here's my game consoles. I'm going to play on my Xbox. Watch my Xbox later. Alright. Look at that spin. Damn. Alright. I miss these toys so much. I mean, now they won't be the same without these toys. Because fidget spinners are awesome. I mean, I wish fidget spinners came back. Because they would be better than puppets. Puppets are mid, man. For real. Fidget spinners are better, man. Alright, this is just an opinion. You know, I'm hoping all y'all guys can agree with me with this opinion. But alright. I think that's it for the video. I know it's only like 1-2 minutes. Only like under 3 minutes long. Make sure y'all guys subscribe to my main YouTube channel, Simple Fanboy. Instagram, Devin Gamer Boy. And this channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.